me record from my side and let me share the screen. Guys, any issues, any doubts,
Can you-
guys? Yes.
Pranit, I haven't got the permission.
Pranit, okay, let me give you the permissions. Let me give you the permissions. Done, okay. You can record. What happened? Hello? Message chesara? Oh no, sorry. Okay, done. Right. Okay, Emma, you can record. Fine. Still anyone is missing? Dinesh. Right, guys. So everyone completed the assignment, yesterday's assignment. I got almost 5 to 6 people responded in the WhatsApp. I got messages from them. Okay, so yes, okay. Tell me, guys, quickly tell me. Okay, so what and all backups possible on master database? What and all backups possible on master database? And I'm sorry, I have to send that document backup and restore document today. At any time I'm going to send you. Okay, so on master database we can take only full backup. We can't take differential and log backup. Okay, done.
Sir.
Yes, okay, fine. So on model all backups are possible on model. Okay, full differential log. Okay, Kusma, very good. Right, on MSDB all backups are possible on MSDB. Okay, fine, that is also fine. Only full and differential, Payak. Kusma, full and differential. Some people, yeah, yesterday also I just checked it. Some people mentioned full differential log backups are possible on MSDB. Some people are saying only full and differential. Which one is correct? Which one is correct?
Full backup, all backup.
All backups are possible.
No, sir. Only full and differential. Only
Only full and differential. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Only full NAG on model on MSDB. Only full backup is possible. Backup type only full and differential backup. Might be they run this one query. Let's try with query as well. Fine. So anyone tried backups on resource database? Anyone tried backups on resource database, guys? Chandrakant, how you tried?
Yeah, actually, I replacing the name only. I'm
Okay,
using
just
command.
which
Yeah, and
name you gave for resource database?
yeah, actually, my that first tried resource.
Okay.
DB not found,
Okay.
then the full name is there for file name actually. The MySQL server is MS SQL server resource. That is also having DB not found. So
Okay.
I left that trying actually. And
Okay.
it
Okay.
seems like it is not possible because that has storing the binaries, right? So
Yes. Yes. Yes.
yeah, so backup is not possible for. We can take a cold backup. Seems to be like we can take a backup of file, but restore of that also not possible.
Correct. We can take the cold backups. Okay. And of course, yes, restore is also not possible. Restore means you have to simply replace it in case if your resource database is corrupted. 99% it won't corrupt 99.99%. Why? Because there is no visibility for this resource database. So no one is going to touch resource database. So 99.99% your resource database is not going to corrupt. Okay. So if still corrupted, might be you can take the cold backups. I'll tell you how to take the cold backups and all. Okay. So if you see for the MSDB, you can see only two types of backups. One is full and one is differential. Yesterday I got from some people, they included log backup also for MSDB. I'm not sure how it is possible. Let's try with the query. Okay. Backup log database name is MSDB to disk is equal to file name MSDB underscore log underscore backup underscore what is today's date 01/07/2022 .trn. Okay, so let's try this one. Not allowed the simple. Okay, done. So it is saying as the recovery model is in simple, I cannot take you the log backup. So let's try to change the recovery model. From where we can change it, I'll show you. Okay, go to database properties, go to your options page, then you can change from here. Okay, let me keep it full. I'll explain. There is a separate concept on this. Okay, recovery model. So till now we haven't discussed about recovery models. Nothing to worry about the recovery models. I'll explain about those all models. Okay, fine. And now let's try. Okay, so can I proceed to take the log backup now?
Yes, sir.
No,
Okay.
we can take a full backup and then we can take a
Okay,
backup.
very good, Chandrakant. Let me try first. Of course, backup log cannot be performed. There is no current database backup. Yesterday we have already discussed. Okay, so any database, first you have to perform a full backup. Okay, without full backup, you cannot generate any other backups. Okay, so first let me take the full backup, right? Backup log. Let me replace this with the database. Backup database name. Database name to disk is equal to okay full backup dot bak. Okay, so let's do this. Done. Right, next is log backup, right? Log backup. Okay, let's try now. So is it possible or not on MSDB?
Possible.
Possible, right?
If we change,
Not possible.
if we change recovery state to full.
Okay, right. So I'll explain about the recovery models today. So you will get an idea what is this recovery model, in which recovery model, what kind of backups are possible. So do you know why log backups are not possible on master database? Any idea? For master database, it is showing like error, right? Log backups are not possible. So what is the reason? What might be the reason why we cannot take the log backups?
So
Same
The
reason.
recovery model is simple.
Very good. Okay. So the simple, that's what we discussed just now. If your recovery model isn't simple, you cannot take the log backups. Okay. If your recovery model isn't simple, you cannot take the log backups. If your recovery model is full, then only you can take all the backups. Remember this point. If your recovery model is full, then only you can take full backup, differential backup, log backup, whatever backups are there, you can take all the backups. If your recovery model is simple, you cannot take the log backups. Other backups are possible, but log backups are not at all possible. I'll tell you why not possible on simple recovery model databases, right? Clear. Am I recording this session? Right, I'm recording. Fine. Next is, yesterday we discussed full differential. Okay, let me. How many of you are not done with the assignment? How many of you are not done with the assignment? Please raise your hands. I guess hardly 5 to 10 people. I got responses. Pranit, what happened, sir? Abdul, of course, Abdul, you are in leave, right? I guess. Yesterday, have you attended, Abdul?
No, I am in the leave and my uncle has expired. That's why.
Oh, okay. Sorry for that. Okay. So no problem, Abdul. Okay. Tanuja, what happened, Tanuja? Anything blocking?
Sir, I had done. Actually, I forget to send a screenshot.
Okay, done. You can send me now as well in case if you want.
Okay.
Tanuja and Daniel. Yes. Tell me, sir. Tell me. Tanuja and Daniel. Okay. So any issues, any roadblocks? Simple, right? Hardly it won't take much time. If you are ready with the queries, hardly it will take 5 minutes, guys. How much time it will take those who already completed if you are ready with all the queries? Don't take more than 5 minutes. Okay. That's you have to be very careful. Okay, it's your wish. I can't tell anything. Right. Fine. So now, but not install. Okay, Bashir. I am also not practiced Bashir. Okay. Okay, Bashir. Please fix that
It is
error.
facing the one error. It is a 1 minute. I will show that error.
Which error?
And also I have shared in WhatsApp also. It is showing no bootable medium code system.
Bashir,
Yes.
one thing. Okay. Have you attached the operating system ISO image or not?
Yes, I have attached.
You have attached. Okay. Share your screen. Okay. Let me give you the permissions. You can share your screen.
I have visible my screen.
Yes, I can see. Okay, so TempDB, Muthu, we cannot take any type of backups on TempDB as it will store, okay, all the temporary data and unsorted data. Okay, it will store all temporary and unsorted data. That's why it won't, okay. It is not possible to take the any backups on TempDB. Okay, no backups are possible on TempDB. Yes, Bashir. So have you watched the videos? First question.
Yes, I have watched videos.
Did I attach SQL Server or Windows ISO image for the first time when I created the machine?
It is attached. This
What
is a
is that?
SQL.
What is that? SQL. How come you attach SQL? SQL is an application. Have you installed operating system?
Application.
If you
No.
want to install SQL, you should have operating system, right? Agree?
Yes,
Right?
yes.
So without operating system, so that's what, guys, please don't skip the videos, don't like fast forward the videos, listen carefully before practice. Okay, so what I did, I just attached Windows operating system. Once machine is created, then installed operating system, but you directly attached SQL Server. Did I mention same thing in the video? If you watch that video, how can you miss that operating system? Some questions I wantedly don't reply in the WhatsApp. Why? Because I know that you are not practicing. You means not Bashir, not you. Okay, people, I know that you are not watching the videos completely, simply fast forwarding, skipping the videos. Okay, just 1 minute, 10 minutes, then at the end of the video, you're going simply and you are not watching completely. That's why if we discussed that point, if anyone is asking the same question, I'll again route you to watch the videos first. If we don't discuss the point, I'll answer with very patience. I have a lot of patience. I can answer, okay, each and every question. But if we discuss at that point, I don't answer. Straight away, I'll tell you to watch the videos. Okay, so don't skip it, don't fast forward it, listen carefully. Nothing will happen if you spend some more time on that video. You will get more knowledge. If you listen the same thing 2 times, you will get more knowledge. Okay, so that's why wantedly I don't reply, or else simply if that point is discussed in the videos, okay, classes, I'll simply ask you to redirect a route to the videos and I'll simply ask you to watch the videos and all. Okay, so Bashir, okay, so please attach operating system. Before that, you please watch the video how to install, okay, then proceed with the SQL Server installation, okay, after installing Windows operating system, right?
Okay.
Okay, done. Thank you. Right, and let me share my screen. Okay. So yesterday we discussed about full backup, differential backup, log backups, right? Still we have pending with a copy only backup and tail log backup as well, right? I'll discuss those 2 backups today. Now, fastest fingers first, just very quick question for all of you, okay? Just very quick question for all of you. Please be ready with your answers. I need number of backups and what kind of backups, okay? Let's see. This is my organization backup strategy every Sunday. Anyone already typed the answer? 11. What is this 11, Daniel? Nine plus 1. Guys, did I ask any question? Okay, backup. Okay. You people are ready with backup types, huh? Okay. I am remembering that Venma those interviews seen. You're already ready with answers. Okay, done. Okay, every Sunday, okay, full backup is running. Full backup is running at night 2 a.m. Okay, every day differential backup is running. Okay, differential backup is running at night 8 p.m. Okay, at night 8 p.m. Right, every 15 minutes, log backups are running. Log backups are running. Log backups are running. Okay, please send the answer to me only, not to everyone. Please change the status in case if anything is showing as everyone. Okay, every 15 minutes log backups are running. Now this is what I want. Okay, in case what happened, Tanuja? Full means okay, done. Okay, fine. So in case if my database is corrupted, at Saturday, okay, Saturday afternoon 2:30 p.m. Okay, how many full backups, differential backups, log backups I need? Okay, how many full differential log backups I need? I need count, like you have to answer. Okay, how many full backups, how many differential backups, how many log backups? Right, I need that answer, guys. No, Bashir. I need particular count, okay? Particular count I need. How many full? No, Daniel. Your answer is not valid. Sunday to Friday. No. How many full? How many differential? How many log backups? Latest full backup, latest differential backup, 74 log backup. Oh, sorry. Okay, guys. 50. Okay. Please, I'm waiting for the answers. Please respond, everyone. Otherwise, I'll point it and I'll ask you if you are not responding. And in case if someone is not attended the yesterday class, I'm going to, okay, I'm not going to ask you. If you want to answer, you can answer. That's it. I got only 2 responses from Kusma and Hema. Dinesh 4, 5, Kishore 6. Dinesh, Abdul. 8 responses still now. If you are still counting, you can count. Only 10 responses till now. Still 14 people hasn't responded. Still 10 more people. Eight more people. 4 more people. 3 more. 3 more people. 2 more. Okay. Done. Okay. One more. Waiting for one more. One more. That's it. Everyone is responded. Okay, chalo. Let me check now. Okay, so Kusma answer is 1 full backup, 1 differential, latest differential backup, 174 log backups. Okay, fine. Okay, and Dinesh, Kusma, Dinesh Hama, 1 full, 1 differential, 50 log backups, 1 full backup, 1 differential, 24 log backups. Abdul, 1 full, latest backup, 82 log backups. Okay, Sunday full backup, Friday differential backup, 54 log backups. 1 full, latest differential, latest log backup, Nag. Okay, last Sunday full, 1 last differential, 74 log backups. Okay, Kusma. Sajal 1 latest full backup, latest different, latest Sajal Verma, latest log backup. Dinesh 1 full backup, that is Sunday full backup, and Friday differential backup, 124 log backups. Dinesh. Chandra 6 full Chandra 6 full, 5 differential, 1 T log backup. Chandra, just a quick question. Might be the numbers are exchanged for full to log to full, or your answer is correct. 6 full, 5 differential backups, 1 T log backup. Is that what you want to type? 6 full, 5 differential backups, 1 T log backup. Okay.
T log not correct, sir.
T log not correct. 6 full, 5 differential backups, correct, right?
I guess.
Fine. Yes, okay, done. Jayant, last successful full backup, differential backup, 1 on Friday, last backup since Friday night. Okay. Jayant, okay, your answer is correct, but as per my expectations, okay, you have to include the numbers, how many log backups we need.
Yeah, sorry, sir.
Kiran,
Actually,
okay.
I mean to say like 54 backups.
Okay, done. 1 full backup and 1 differential backup and tail log backup still 2:30 p.m. Okay, tail log we haven't discussed it, no problem. Kiran, Satish 1 full backup, 1 full recent and 86 Praneeth Raju. 1 Sunday full backup. Right. I just want to see any other persons mention multiple differential backups in the answer. Restore Sunday full backup. Differential. Okay. 20 log backups, 60 differential, 1 latest Sajal, 1 full backup, 71 log backup, sorry, 74 log backup, sorry, 72 log backups. Okay, sorry. Okay, done. Let's go with this now. Of course, answer is 1 full backup. Okay, last Sunday full backup, right? Okay, next is 1 differential backup, 1 diff backup. Okay. Of course, Saturday, right? Friday night differential backup will be available. This is last Sunday. Okay, last Sunday. And this is your Friday. This is Friday differential backup. And Friday differential backup performed at 8 p.m., right? So again, my database is corrupted at 2:30 p.m., right? So 8 p.m. to morning 8 a.m., 12 hours. Morning 8 a.m. to afternoon 2, how many hours? 6 hours. Agree? 6 hours. 12 plus 6, 18 hours. 18 4 ja? 8 4 ja 32. 2, 3.
72.
72. Okay, very good. Okay. So correct answer is 72 log backups.
230.
Okay,
30 minutes.
74. Yes. 74. Okay, done. Sorry for that. Where is my notepad? Okay, where is my notepad? Just 1 minute, guys. The meeting is going to end now. Let me reconnect. Okay, 74 log backups. Let me close and let me reopen the meeting. Please join with the same link.